different cultures and perspectives to the city. That also, of course, creates an opportunity in terms of how we recruit our members so that they do have the language and cultural skills to be able to deal with the changes in diversity. We're dealing with cybercrime in terms of the type of crimes that people are committing and how they commit those crimes. And that's requiring us to divert our resources so that we can actually try to keep up with the bad guys that are actually doing those crimes. As far as opportunities, we are looking at police and community relationship building, including reframing, if I can use that word, contacts with the public and how we engage with the public, how we interact with the public. As indicated before, we are moving forward with recruitment. We are usually achieving over 50% diversity in our recruitment classes, and that is allowing us to better reflect the face of the community that we serve. We're looking for process improvement opportunities. We are very much underway in terms of civilianization and basically looking at the type of work that needs to be done and then determining whether we actually need an armed officer to do that work. And where that's not required, we're actually taking the steps to civilianize that job, and it's usually done with a lower paying civilian person doing that job. We have moved forward on automation and innovation. We have a new Versadex, our main core operational system. We now, the public can report crimes online, certain crimes, and we've automated our paid duty management system. We're also very involved with the City Shared Services Review in terms of trying to work with the city and other key partners in the city on services that we can deliver maybe more cost effectively, where we can share best practices, all to either improve service or reduce the cost of that service. As I indicated before, we have the adequacy standards. Under the business plan, which is required under the Police Services Act, we've got three main pillars and priorities that we have to follow: safe community and neighborhoods, economic sustainability and operational excellence, high-quality professional service to the community. And so everything we do is basically in line with meeting those priorities, and Sandra will talk a little bit. We're then also required under the Police Services Act to actually report to the board on an annual basis on how well we did in meeting those priorities. And I'm going to turn it over to Sandra to very quickly talk about some strategies.
Good afternoon, everyone. An important document for the service is the 2014 to 2016 business plan. And as Tony mentioned, we have three priorities that we're going to be focusing on starting in 2014 for the next couple of years. So the business plan is actually the result of significant consultation with the community, as well as an analysis of the environment, both internally and externally, in which